Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studios, and today we're looking at LG's signature range OLED65G6V 65-inch 3D 4K ultra high definition organic LED TV with soundbar stand. Now, I've never had the opportunity of meeting a member of the royal family, but today it almost feels like it. We are massive fans of organic LED screens here in the studio with their perfect blacks, amazing colours and fast response times. We've watched OLED develop over the years and feel that 2016 is the year when the potential star became an Olympic gold medalist. This TV is the pinnacle of what OLED can achieve. It's a king of TVs. Now, everything can be improved, but when you look at this picture, you wonder how it can be. If only our cameras could do it justice. Design-wise, it's a sophisticated look, with the ultra-thin screen sitting proudly on the base come speaker system, and the speaker fins add some texture for a great look that's reproduced on the back of the TV. The cleverly designed stand adapts for wall mounting, but this TV looks good wherever you put it. It's a design classic. Technically, it's as good as it gets. 4K ultra high definition means 4 times the resolution of full high definition. That's 8 million pixels instead of 2 million on high definition. There's high dynamic range for immense contrast between the deepest black and the brightest white, with Dolby Vision for a high quality HDR standard. All of this tech brings a billion hues and colours with the best contrast we've ever seen on a TV, with no LED backlight issues. It's pure viewing pleasure. Movement and viewing angles are very good too, as is the passive 3D from LG. And our input lag measurement showed an impressive 34 milliseconds in game mode with 125 milliseconds in standard mode on all 4 HDMI inputs. The sound system from Harman Kardon also impresses, with 60 watts of 4.2 channel surround with 6 mode options to choose from. LG's Web OS is in its 3rd award-winning generation and still leads the way in user interfaces for us. It's simple, slick, intuitive and fun to use, and there are some interesting new features too for 2016, like Magic Mobile Connection and Magic Zoom. It's got a quad-core processor too, and 2 classy looking remotes. Let's take a quick look. Okay, here's the Magic Remote cursor moving around the screen, and if I press the home menu button, the tabs pop up at the bottom, a familiar sight for Web OS users. The LG TV Plus icon brings up the Magic Mobile Connection dialog, which helps you link up your mobile device in a much more usable way than before. Down at the bottom you can scroll through the various option tabs or tiles, which have a nice new look. It's smoother moving too, as you'll see as I slide across. There's some old familiar icons or tiles along there. Now if you go along to the end on the white one, it's edit mode, where you can reposition or delete the tabs or tiles that you don't want. So customization is possible. There are 3 more quick menu options at the top. So if you've used Web OS before, you will notice a big improvement, and if you haven't, you will love Web OS 3. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions and the connectivity. There's an on-stand height of 883 millimeters. The width of the product is 1461 millimeters, and the stand depth is 243 millimeters. Off-stand, the height is 892 millimeters. The width again is 1461, and the depth or the thickness of the TV is 68 millimeters. Connectivity includes RF in, there's 2 satellite connections, 4 HDMI 2As, there's composite, there's 2 USB 2s and 1 USB 3, built-in Wi-Fi, LAN, Bluetooth, PCMCIA, digital audio, SBC and headphone stroke speaker out. So summing up, cost aside, we would give this a 10 out of 10. It's hard to imagine a better picture on a TV. Sound, movement and user interface are all very, very good, and it has the tech to last for a very, very long time. And you could have one in your home tomorrow, free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical. And that's next day and weekends included. Just click on the link in the description to order straight away.